I want to do one of those slow moving videos to where you can clearly see the exterior of the 2018 LT625. This is a 52,350 GVW Tandem Day Cab tractor with the roof fairing. Black convex mirrors on the hood, black convex mirrors on each door. These are the aerodynamic mirrors. The engine is the Cummins X15. Efficiency 14.9 liter, 450 horsepower, multi-torque at 1550 to 1750, 10-speed fully automated transmissions, driver doors in good condition, battery box with aluminum self-cleaning tread steps, large DEF tank, bright finished, 80-gallon fuel tank on the driver's side, quarter fenders, tread is nice and deep. You have steel on the interior, aluminum on the exterior. These are 275 80R 22.5-inch rubber. Airbags. Low height fifth wheel. Anti-sail mud flaps. Passenger side wheels and tires. Front and rear trunnion passenger side. Do have step access on the driver's side fuel tank and a 12-inch deck plate behind the cab. Underneath the passenger side is the exhaust system, self-cleaning 2-step entry. Front tire 275 80R 22.5-inch rubber, Alcoa rims. As you can tell, we have 3 trucks available to you. Coming to our next one to see if there's any Mars or scars that make them any different. Do not see anything so far that's ugly about this here truck. Again, steel on the interior, aluminum on the exterior. Then our final truck tractor, nice and clean. These come out of a national fleet. They are 3 matched units. Not seeing anything bad or ugly on this last tractor as well. So nice deep retread tires on the rear trunnions. As before, metal on the inside and aluminum on the outside. Before I get in the cab, I'm going to go and point out the lumbar support, driver's seat, right seat belts, the load shedding and power protection, but having the battery in the off position, and we have the block heater control up underneath the driver's side. Each one of these three trucks will feature the 1 year, 100,000 mile engine and after treatment warranty. It's available for you to have protection in any of the 763 international servicing facilities across the nation. This is a list of the items that are included with the 1 year, 100,000 mile engine and after treatment warranty. Okay, let's take a look at the interior. We're on the interior of the 2018 LT625 Day Cab. Just want to go over the upfits on the interior. We have your power locks, your power windows, your heated mirror and mirror controls, check lamp, work lights, automatic headlamps, wiper controls, fluid to the windshield, wiper control speed, brights and dims. On the steering column, cruise control, phone control, and interrupters. Our joystick on the passenger side. This truck is currently posting a 6.3 average mile to the gallon. Entertainment includes the Sirius XM available USB plug, hands-free phone, AM/FM radio, power divider lockout, the traction control, fifth wheel slide, fifth wheel unlock, park regeneration, in addition to your air conditioning controls below. One power point in addition to the one on the radio. Lane departure on off as well. So a really well laid out truck. Again, my name is Mike Olden. You can reach me at 423-618-3323. Do look forward to working with you on this tractor or that tractor or that tractor over there. All three are sister trucks. All of them feature the Cummins engine with the fully automated 10-speed automatic transmission. Go make it a great day.